Andrea Cameron, your online style maven with Fashion Your Life. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your fully fashion knit sweater when it starts to unravel. We don't like that. So this is a really quick and simple technique that you can use with your sewing machine. And you may be wondering, what is a fully fashion knit? So a fully fashion knit is when a garment is made by the pattern panels being knit together before they're attached to create the garment. This is very similar to knitting with a big ball of yarn and a knitting needle, except it's done on a machine because there's multiples being reproduced. The biggest benefit of this is that there's very minimal waste. So I am wearing a version of a fully fashion knit. This is a heavier gauge than the one that you're going to see in the tutorial. And it's different than a typical cut and sew garment because a cut and sew garment can use a knit fabric or a woven fabric, and there's more waste of that fabric. So I hope you enjoy this simple and effective way to fix your holes in your fully fashion knit garments when they start to unravel. So first thing I'm showing you here is what the hole looks like. So you can see that the trim is detached from the sweater. And now I've already pinned this, so it'll make more sense when I do the top, but I just pinned the body of the sweater to the bottom edge of the trim. This particular sweater has a folded trim, so I have to do this twice. So I have this inserted into my machine now, and I'm using a zigzag, and I'm going nice and slow, and I'm just attaching the body of the sweater to the bottom edge of the trim. Now here it is all finished on the bottom, and now I'm showing you how I'm rolling it over. And I'm just gonna pin that edge down. Now that edge is actually finished, it's not gonna fray, but if it has too much wear and tear on it, it will fray. So just be nice and careful. This is why you wanna fix it before you wear it too much with a hole. You wanna pin it all the way up and down the hole. Now do the same thing, put it into the machine and zigzag nice and slow from the top to the bottom. And there it is, all finished. So if you have enjoyed that tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments box below, and I will be more than happy to answer those for you. And this is Andrea Cameron, your online style maven, signing off for now.